Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode on your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. And to manage transparency mode we need to open EDIFIER Connect application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then right here you will see ambient sound control. So we need to enable transparency mode. Firstly, you can use the application by just tap at the ambient sound, or you can use double press and at your left earbud. And right here we can increase or lower transparency level. To increase it you need to click at the plus, and we have 3 levels here, and to lower it you need to use minus button. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!